We have a complete solution at Bell with our parts system and our customer solutions.
We are available 24/7, and there's always somebody at the end of the phone ready to pick the call, even if it's midnight.
My name is Mark Dubé. I'm a product support engineer at Bell.
My name is Gabriel, and for Bell I work as a product support engineering.
The product support engineering team is there to support all the commercial helicopters owners, operators, and maintainers with any technical questions they have or technical issues they have with their aircrafts.
What we try to do is to bring the customer's aircraft back into service as fast as possible. We can provide them with alternate solutions if, let's say, we have a part that's not really available. So we handle multiple situations and try to be flexible as much as possible for customers' needs. Every customer has specific needs. So the CSCs know exactly for this customer, the way to handle every situation will be just a bit different. And that may make a big difference in the end on how the aircraft will be brought back to service and how fast we will be able to do it.
Critical missions is very important. If you talk EMS, for example, you have people's life in your hand. We rapidly jump on the issues that they have and make sure they have a response as fast as possible because we know who's at the end and who needs the helicopters. Yeah, I've been in the helicopter industry for a little bit more than 20 years, working with owners, operators, myself being one customer of Bell products at that time. I'm really able now that I'm on the other side with Bell to better know what the customer's needs are and to put myself in their place because I was there, so I know exactly what they need to bring their aircraft back in service, and how rapidly I can do it is what I like.
For us, we are based in Mirabel, Canada. So we have a few guys that are based in Singapore. So that way we can cover 24/7 and all year long. That's what we like to do, helping customers and helping everybody that owns a helicopter really.